In this video, we're going to analyze Palom and Porom's lines from the famous scene in Final Fantasy IV. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar. So today, we're going to analyze Porom's line, おにいさまができたみたいでとてもうれしかったですわ and Palom's line, あんたらをここで殺させやしない。おにいさま means older brother in a very formal way. ができた is the past tense of ができる meaning to get or gain something when something comes into existence.It is different from the one with the meaning to be able to do. For example, 今日新しい友達ができた。顔にニキビができた。mitai means like or as if. For example, 奈良の鹿は人間みたいにお辞儀をする。死んだみたいに寝てたよ。This de means because or as, which links two sentences. The first sentence presents a cause or reason, and the second sentence presents the consequence resulted by the cause. For example, 旅行が楽しみで眠れない。話が複雑でよくわからない。とても means very.うれしかったです is the past tense of うれしいです meaning to be happy. は adds feminine flavor to the sentence which is often used in anime. So, お兄様ができたみたいでとても嬉しかったですわ means we were happy as it was like we'd gained an older brother. Antara is a plural of anta meaning you in a casual way.ここで means here. 殺させる is the causative form of the verb 殺す meaning to kill. A に B を殺させる means let A kill B. And the A is Kainatsu who is trying to kill them. And the B is Antara. So it actually means let Kainatsu kill you all. But Kainatsu is omitted here, so it means let you all die.A stem of the verb plus やしない or はしない means won't. It expresses the speaker's stronger will not to do something compared to the simple ない form. For example, あいつになんて負けやしない。大事なことは簡単に忘れやしない。So, あんたらをここで殺させやしない means we won't let you all die here.That's all for today. Thanks for watching.